Top story, 21-year-old climate change activist Disha Ravi is in 5-day police custody. She's been arrested by the Delhi police in the Greta Toolkit probe case. The cops are going to be interrogating her, who approached her with the toolkit document. This is to do with a link between Greta and Disha Ravi. The probe team is looking for two other activists as well, Nikita Jacob and Shantanu. The cops are looking out for other members of this particular WhatsApp group, which is allegedly created by Disha Ravi in course of drafting a toolkit. And according to the police, Disha deleted her phone data. And earlier, the Delhi police going on to claim that Disha Ravi drafted the toolkit before sharing it with Greta Thunberg. However, she suggested Greta to remove the document once certain details were leaked. The cops are also throwing a whole host of other allegations on Disha Ravi, saying that Disha had links with a Khalistani outfit. They are alleging that she was conspiring to create unrest in India.
A toolkit allegedly to spread protest, unrest and anarchy. Shared and then deleted by Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg. A sinister plot to create unrest in India busted. Backed by global celebrities like Rihanna and former porn star Mia Khalifa. After FIR against pro-Khalistani groups, accusing them of planning a cultural and economic war on India. The Delhi police, after arresting 21-year-old Bengaluru activist Disha Ravi, made sensational charges, claiming that Disha Ravi drafted and shared the toolkit with activist Greta Thunberg and telling her to delete it once sensitive details were leaked. Disha is even accused of links to Khalistani group Poetic Justice Foundation, which allegedly called to disrupt India's chai and yoga image.
सूत्रों के मुताबिक इस नफरत भरे टूलकिट के मामले में कई और चर्चित और बड़े नाम रडार पर हैं, जिनको गिरफ्तार करने के लिए साइबर सेल अलग अलग राज्यों में रेड कर रही है। बहुत जल्द उनकी भी गिरफ्तारी होगी। साइबर सेल का कहना है कि दिशा रवि इस टूल किट के मामले में महज एक कड़ी है, कई और किरदार हैं जो जल्द सामने आएंगे।
Disha, the first to be arrested in the case, was sent to 5-day custody of Delhi police on Sunday. Meanwhile, the Coalition for Environmental Justice has condemned Disha's arrest, calling it illegal and a bid to defame the farmers' stir.
Government is trying to use students and activists over a period of time is again something that we're aware of. Framing students is something that has been going on for a long time. Students of Bangalore are aware. They've woken up. The rest of India is waking up. And we are going to continue to stand with Disha until she is released.
With Arvind Ojha in Delhi and Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, Nolan Pinto joins us live for the very latest on this particular story. He's joining us from Bengaluru, bringing us up to speed with the latest developments on the story. Nolan, what is this hysteria about this one toolkit? You and I have both seen the toolkit. There was no incitement of violence in this particular toolkit. There is a charge of sedition. There is a charge of a Khalistani link as well. What is going on over here?
Now, in fact, it's a little bit confusing, but what the Delhi police in their Twitter handle very clearly have stated is that she is one of the main conspirators. They also say that she is involved in the formulation and the dissemination of this particular toolkit via various social handles, and that's the reason she has been charged with criminal conspiracy and also booked with sedition. Now, what the activists over here state that this is nothing, it's a Google document which actually, they say that if people actually understand what's a toolkit is nothing but to organize people to do this and do that, and there's nothing wrong in what she has done, because most of the activists that we have spoken to saying that this is everyone's right, and if a normal citizen goes through the toolkit, they will find nothing wrong. And the activists yesterday, in fact, some 78 of them came out with a statement saying that she is another victim of the government who's targeting her in order to delegitimize the farmers' protest. So this is exactly what is happening. Now her parents have not yet spoken. The activists believe that what the Delhi police did in the first place by coming here to Bengaluru was nothing but extrajudicial. They did not follow the proper procedures. So we're waiting to see what really happens. What do they want to do? Because the Delhi police very clearly states that those 5 days of police custody that they have secured is very important in order to find out who else was part of this conspiracy.
Nolan, thanks for joining us. But several opposition leaders are also voicing their concerns. Many activists are voicing their concerns as far as this issue is concerned. In fact, even Meena Harris has put out a tweet in this particular regard. Questions arising on the arrest of Disha Ravi. Let me now walk you through the charges that have been slapped on Disha Ravi by the Delhi police. The Delhi police, according to them, and this is the allegation, is saying that she is the key suspect in the Greta toolkit conspiracy case. Questions arising on whether really making a toolkit really happens to be a crime or not. Charge 2 is prepared the toolkit shared by Greta, and we've all gone through the toolkit. There seems to be no incitement of violence in it. The charge 3 is collaborated with Khalistani group PJF, and this is a very important charge the Delhi police is going to be probing. Let's see what the next charge is. The charge 4 is that she asked Greta to delete the old toolkit. And there are more charges, if I'm not mistaken. The 5th charge is edited the toolkit many times. I mean, these are the charges, but nowhere does the toolkit really end up inciting any kind of violence. Breaking news coming in, going straight across to it. The politics of arrest of activist Disha has peaked. Delhi Chief Minister has attacked the arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi. He's gone on to say, and I quote, arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi is an unprecedented attack on democracy. Supporting our farmers is not a crime, unquote. That is the Delhi Chief Minister speaking out in favor of Disha Ravi, slamming the arrest of the 21-year-old. He says, and I quote, the arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi is an unprecedented attack on democracy. Supporting our farmers is not a crime, unquote. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also slammed this arrest and said that the government is scared of our youth. So you've got a whole host of opposition leaders slamming this particular arrest coming in of Disha Ravi, who's a 21-year-old climate change activist who has been arrested by the Delhi police. Arvind Kejriwal going on to say, and I quote once again, Disha Ravi, arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi is an unprecedented attack on democracy. Supporting our farmers is not a crime. Ashutosh is now joining us for the very latest. Ashutosh, there are many more who are speaking up against this particular arrest made by the Delhi police on Disha Ravi. Of course, what we broke the story right now was of the tweet that has been put out by Arvind Kejriwal. He joins in the rung of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who has also slammed this particular arrest. Questions arising on the arrest and under what provisions of the law this arrest is being made, Ashutosh.
Absolutely. And right after Disha Ravi's arrest, on the charges of editing some Google document, of course, there are no, inflammatory content as far as the experts believe are visible now. So the entire opposition camp is now taking on the government on Disha Ravi's arrest. From P. Chidambaram to Sitaram Yeshiri to Southern actors, Siddharth, artists, and everyone, every sector, every class is now taking up this issue, that how a 21-year-old environmental activist is now being targeted of, the police, particularly when she raised voice for the farmers and against the government. So clearly, now the opposition is lobbying that how those who are criticizing, being critical to the government, are being subject to the harassment. And after this, Ravi, entire opposition parties, all top leaders, we have heard Priyanka Gandhi, have seen Sitaram Yechuri, have seen P. Chidambaram. Now the Delhi Chief Minister is also joining in and condemning the arrest of Disha Ravi, and also, clearly the one who supports farmers is not anti-national. want to criticize government is not anti-national, subject to these harassments are purely being criticized and comment. And moreover, not only the political class, but also the the celebrities. In fact, one British member of parliament has also taken up this issue. Also, Siddharth, the South Indian actor, has also taken up this issue. So clearly, the government, all the opposition camp is now taking on the government, particularly after Delhi police has made this arrest, despite, as the experts believe, that there are no inflammatory subject or material in those particular Google documents, and anyways, such toolkits promoting any particular campaign cannot be subject to the crime or the subject to the punishable offense. And the way police has made this arrest, taking police remand, with, as he had been granted the police demand for the further investigation. In the meanwhile, the opposition is taking on the government on her arrest.
And non-violent mobilization is the cornerstone of a democracy, and if one goes through with the toolkit as well, one would see that there is no incitement of any kind of a violence coming in at the end of Disha Ravi. So this is the latest coming in. Arvind Kejriwal now going on to slam the arrest. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also slamming arrest, and many other political leaders have slammed this particular arrest. Politics has erupted over 21-year-old climate activist Disha Ravi's arrest in the Greta Toolkit probe case. The BJP is hitting out at the opposition, now expressing solidarity with Disha. BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya is accusing the opposition, the left, of using young, impressionable minds as cannon fodder for their politics. Bengaluru BJP MP PC Mohan also defended her arrest, saying age is a number, but crime is a crime. Congress, CPI, Shiv Sena, they've all condemned the arrest of Disha Ravi. Former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram accused the Delhi cops of becoming tools of the oppressors. Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi questioned the government and said that the nation is stronger than to be broken by a toolkit. International support has also poured in for Disha Ravi, with US Vice President's niece Meena Harris tweeting to condemn the arrest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.